My culinary background is from Dorset in England. I spent about 6 years in the UK, and then I moved to Canada, where I met John Horn, and I worked with Oliver Bonacini, and I embarked on this journey. So the Dorset was opened with Oliver Bonacini. It was a new project that we started in April. So there's a lot of food that's really exciting from cooking in the UK. I really wanted to represent the coast and the seafood, but also I really wanted to represent the game season, rabbits, pheasants, deer. The whole menu is inspired by the coast and countryside. So when we were designing our kitchen here at the Dorset, I knew I definitely wanted a rationale. But as time went on and I was looking at other pieces of equipment, I was kind of inclined to look for a second rationale. We have a larger one that we use for a lot of prep, overnight cooking in the back of our kitchen. And then we also have a smaller one, which is in the front of the kitchen, which we use for more of our day-to-day service and cooking on the fly and finishing. One of the biggest things that's always been the best about the Rational is its consistency as a line oven. It can raise in heat if you need something to go up. It can lower if you need it to go down very quickly. Like, I think it's not highlighted enough that using a Rational in service is better than any oven out there. It's really amazing. I think what makes Rational ovens attractive to chefs is the versatility of everything it has. Whether you want to use it for combi cooking, for steaming, for baking, whatever it is you want to use it for, it's the best at all of it. What I really love about the steam function on the Rational is you can be really precise with the temperature. We're able to do so many things, like sous videing in the steam function is dynamite with a Rational. One of our number ones would be our eggs for brunch. With a Rational, we can steam at 145 for 30 minutes. It just really helps brunches. It's also really important for the integrity of certain meats we use. For example, we're doing this delicious pheasant dish. We actually lightly steam the pheasant in the Rational before finishing it with a little butter. The steam function, again, is so important because it means we don't have to manipulate the meat too much, so we're still able to keep its integrity. A huge one for us is our Sunday roast beef, which sounds really silly that Sunday roast beef is cooked steamed, but what we do is we sear the beef in the Rational oven, and then we sous vide it with beef fat and delicious herbs. And this rump of beef, honestly, in the Rational is just perfect every single time. I wouldn't do it any other way. So if we were to open any more restaurants in our company, Rational would be an integral part of what we create. Rational just has everything you need in an oven and more. I couldn't have even imagined that an oven could be this perfect to work with, to be honest.